Welcome to Clever Mum. Welcome to today's video where we'll break down how to make an Americano from the comfort of your home. Not only is this process super simple, but it's also budget friendly, allowing you to enjoy cafe-quality coffee whenever you want. Whether you're a coffee novice or an enthusiast, this guide is crafted to help you confidently master this classic drink. So, let's dive in. First, let's understand what an Americano is. Originating from World War II, when American soldiers in Europe diluted espresso to match the drip coffee they were used to back home, the Americano has since become a staple for coffee lovers everywhere. It's beloved for its smooth, rich flavor and customizable strength, which makes it versatile and enjoyable for everyone. Unlike regular black coffee, the Americano mixes hot water and espresso, giving it a lighter body while maintaining robust coffee notes. Whether it's your morning pick-me-up or an afternoon indulgence, learning how to make an Americano at home is a skill that guarantees great coffee every single time. To get started, here's what we'll need: espresso or strong brewed coffee, hot water and a coffee mug. We'll also briefly talk about optional equipment, like an espresso machine or alternative brewing methods, depending on what you have at home. Let's walk you through this process step by step. The foundation of a great Americano is perfectly brewed espresso. For those with an espresso machine, here's a quick guide. Start by grinding your coffee beans to an espresso consistency. Freshly ground coffee makes the biggest difference here. Tamp the coffee evenly into the portafilter and lock it into the machine. Brew your espresso, typically 1 to 2 shots depending on how strong you want the flavor. Don't have an espresso machine? No problem. You can still enjoy an Americano by making a strong coffee concentrate using one of the following methods. French press. Use a high coffee to water ratio, brewing for around 4 minutes. Mocha pot. This stovetop coffee maker produces a concentrated coffee similar to espresso. AeroPress, another excellent alternative that can create a highly concentrated coffee. Regardless of what equipment you own, you'll confidently brew the perfect coffee base for an Americano. While your espresso or coffee brews, let's talk about the second essential ingredient: hot water. Heat water to about 170 degrees, 76 degrees. It should be hot but not boiling, as boiling water can scald and alter the coffee's flavor. The amount of water depends on your desired strength. The classic ratio for an Americano is 1 part espresso to 2 parts water, but you can adjust this to your taste. For example, if you're using a double shot of espresso, around 2 ounces, add 4 ounces of hot water for a balanced drink. Prefer it stronger? Use less water. For a lighter drink, use more. Pro tip: preheat your mug with some hot water before filling it to keep your coffee warm longer, especially if you're using ceramic or glass mugs. Now that your mug is preheated, let's move on to combining all the elements for your Americano. This part is where everything comes together beautifully. First, pour your hot water into the preheated mug. By adding water first, you minimize the espresso's creamer from dispersing too much, which preserves its smooth texture and flavor. This might seem like a small detail, but it makes a world of difference in crafting a perfect Americano. Next, gently pour the espresso over the hot water. If you're someone who likes a thoroughly mixed drink, you can give it a light stir, but some people enjoy leaving the espresso layered for a bolder flavor towards the bottom of their cup. And there it is, your very own Americano, ready to savor. Take a moment to appreciate its rich color and the wonderful aroma wafting from your mug. That first sip will surely transport you to a cozy cafe, even if you're just sitting in your kitchen. This cafe-quality drink is all the more satisfying because it's made by your own hands. Now, let's talk customization. One of the best aspects of an Americano is how easy it is to make it your own. Start by experimenting with the ratio of espresso to water to find the perfect balance for your taste buds. Some people like it strong, while others prefer a milder, more diluted version. There's no right or wrong, only your preference. For those who enjoy creamier coffee, try adding a splash of milk or even frothing some milk foam to create a silky twist. If sweetness is what you're after, you can stir in sugar, honey, or even flavored syrups like vanilla, hazelnut, or caramel. It's a simple way to elevate your Americano and make it feel like a special treat. Looking for a cooler option? Transform your drink into an iced Americano by pouring it over a tall glass of ice. It's refreshing and perfect for a warm day. Another way to explore flavors is by trying different coffee beans. Your Americano will taste quite different depending on the origin, roast type, or blend of the beans. Whether it's a mellow single origin coffee or a bold dark roast, switching up your beans can uncover entirely new flavor profiles. For those who love geeking out over coffee, there's even a bit of science behind what makes the Americano so special. Espresso is brewed under high pressure, which extracts concentrated oils and aromatic compounds from the coffee grounds. When you add hot water, it dilutes that intense flavor, reducing bitterness while maintaining the coffee's aromatic complexity. This makes the Americano smoother and lighter while still offering a rich, layered taste. Knowing this science also helps if you ever need to troubleshoot. For example, if your Americano is too bitter, it might mean your espresso was over-extracted, or perhaps the water you used was too hot. Adjusting these factors, like using slightly cooler water or a shorter brew time, results in noticeable improvements. And there you have it. Customizing your Americano is half the fun, as it allows you to tailor each cup to your mood or taste. Whether you keep it classic or add a creative twist, this drink is your canvas. The possibilities for personalization are endless, opening up an entire world within the simplicity of this beloved coffee drink. Learning how to make an Americano at home is more than just a practical skill. It's a gateway to exploring the rich world of coffee. By mastering this simple method, you not only save money, but also refine your ability to appreciate the nuances of specialty coffee. Start your mornings off on the right foot, wow your friends and family, or simply enjoy a peaceful moment with your homemade coffee masterpiece. Now that you've learned the process, it's your turn to give it a try. What's stopping you from brewing cafe-quality coffee at home? Once you've perfected your Americano, challenge yourself to explore other coffee drinks like cappuccinos, lattes, or a flat white. The possibilities are endless when it comes to coffee making, and your journey has just begun. Try making an Americano today and let us know in the comments how it turned out. Did you adjust the strength or add your own custom twist? Don't forget to share this video with your fellow coffee lovers and subscribe to Clever Mum for more in-depth coffee tutorials and tips. Happy brewing! Don't forget to like and subscribe.